France. Today, interior design is not just about the furnitures, but wall plays a huge role in defining the overall look of your house. And this is where PVC wall panels comes a smart and affordable and stylish solution. PVC wall panels are becoming very popular in modern interiors because they are affordable, waterproof, and also low in maintenance and easy to install. So before installing, it is very important to understand the actual cost and what are the points to consider before you do installing the PVC panels. And so friends, in this video I'm going to share the latest price and what are the points to consider and which are the best brands. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So let's begin the video. It has some beautiful advantages of like a plain wall looks flat and boring, so but once you install these PVC panels, it adds the textures, depth, and a modern finish. So whether it is wood finish or a matte, your wall starts looking like a premium interior setup. PVC panels gives your home a luxury appearance at a low cost, so you can create ancient walls in a living room, stylish TV back panels, and elegant bedroom headboard walls. It gives the same feel as expensive materials like laminate or veneer, but at a fraction of the cost. So one major problem in Indian homes is the dampness, seepage, and wall stains. So PVC panels act as a protective layer. They are waterproof, moisture resistant, and easy to clean. So your walls remains the safe and looks the fresh for years. So friends, now let's talk about the latest price and how much it will cost for installing. So let's calculate everything step by step in a simple and a practical way. So suppose we are considering our room size of 10 feet by 10 feet. So the total wall area is 100 square feet. This is a total surface where panels will be installed. And now one PVC panels covers approximately 8.3 square feet. So to find how many panels we need, total panels for 100 square feet wall is we will divide this 8 by 3, so the total panels comes is 12.04 panels. So since we cannot buy a fraction panel, we have to round up. So total panel requires is 13 number of panels. Always add one extra panel for cutting and wastage. So the actually cost for each panel's price with the heavy duty PVC panels cost you around 400 rupees per panel. So for the total material cost for is 5200 because we require 13 panels, so we to multiply this 13 into 400, the total will be 5200 rupees. So your panel material cost is 5200, and for labor charges we'll consider as a 20 rupees per square feet. So the total labor cost is 2000 rupees for our installation charges, because our wall size is 100 square feet, so we have to multiply this 100 into 20. So now let's add the both materials is 5200 and labor cost will be 2000, so the total cost will be around 7200. And for transportation and for fixing we require some screws, so another will cost 500 rupees for this. So total will be 7,700 rupees for 10 by 10 wall. So in real projects, some extra cost may be also come like PVC corner trims or finishing trips, adhesive or screws, transportation. So as I told you, add another 500 to 1000 rupees. So the practical final budget is 7500 to 8000 rupees. So friends, and Now the best brands in PVC panels is Elstone, Dabria Polywood, Clysta, and the fourth one is Ecosti. So these were the some best and popular brands were available in India. So you can check out in your local shop also. So friends, please if you have any queries related to the price or materials or brands, please you can ask me in the comment section. Or if you want more details, please you can contact through my mail ID which I given in the description. So friends, if you like our videos, then please share with your friends, and don't forget to like this video, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for supporting to our channel.